Good morning, students of class 10. Welcome back to the online classes now. Let's do our classes in English. The 100 dresses part 2. Now we are almost coming to the end. We are nearing to the end. But still we have one or two classes more. Now here there are altogether 6 points I've written over here. It was Peggy and Maddie. They were upset. They wrote a letter a long time back, but they have not received the reply from Wanda till yet. And there was a smell of Christmas in the air. It was a Christmas time, and today was their last day. Just before the holidays, Christmas holidays began, on the last day, Miss Mason showed the letter to the students, and she read the letter. Let's see. Miss Mason received the second letter. This was the second letter. First it was sent by Wanda's father, and this is the second letter just before the Christmas holidays began, and she read the letter. Miss Mason read the letter. All the students of room number 13 sat in the classes attentively. They wanted to know what is the letter all about. So now here the letter read, "Dear Miss Mason," it was written there, "Dear Miss Mason, how are you?" And room number 13. It was written by Wanda herself. The previous letter was written by her father, and this was written by Wanda. "Dear Miss Mason, how are you?" And room number 13 means how are all the students? Are they all right? So she wanted to know. "Please tell the girls," Wanda wrote, "please tell the girls that they can keep those 100 dresses." She wrote to Miss Mason, "Dear Miss Mason, please distribute the drawings among the girls, among the students, so those girls can keep those 100 dresses, because in my new house I have 100 new ones more. So in my new house I have more, 100 more. So they can have those drawings for themselves." Number 3, I would like Peggy to have the drawing of a green dress with red trimmings. So Wanda she wanted the green dress for Peggy, to have for Peggy, and the blue ones for her friend Maddie, and her friend Maddie to have a blue one for Christmas. They can keep those dresses for Christmas, especially the blue ones with red trimmings, to give it to Peggy, and the blue ones, kindly Miss Mason, give it to Maddie. So she mentioned those is two girls, Peggy and Maddie, especially in the letter, to have those two drawings, the blue and the green. "I miss that school. I miss that school very much, and my new teacher does not equalize you with you." So Wanda said, "See, I have gone to a new place and I have joined a new school, and there are many teachers. But here in the new school, the teacher does not equalize with Miss Mason. I miss you very much." So she said, "Miss Mason, I miss you very much, because here the teacher does not equalize you, not as good as you. Merry Christmas to all of you, and Merry Christmas to all of you." So she wrote at the end, "Merry Christmas to all of you. Yours truly, Wanda." She wrote at the end, "Yours truly, Wanda." That was the letter, a very short letter written by Wanda, especially mentioning about the dress, that the girls can have it, and the red and the green dress, especially for Peggy and Matt. So, and she also thanked Miss Mason, mentioned her that Miss Mason is so good, because the new teacher in the new school does not equalize her. So she wanted to thank indirectly. So in this way she wrote a letter. Now on the way home, both Peggy and Maddie held their drawings safely so that it will not fold or get crushed. They kept the drawings safely. They They kept their drawings very carefully. That was their last day, their last day, and they were going home after Christmas. The holiday had begun. On the way, while they were going home, on the way, all the houses were decorated. Since it was a Christmas time, all the houses were decorated. There were lights. Lights were shining on the white snow, reflected. The lights were reflected on the white snow. And everywhere the houses were decorated. Lights were shining everywhere and reflected different colors on the white snow. It looked very, very beautiful. The scene, the Christmas scene was very, very beautiful. All the houses were lighted with various colors and they were painted, and the various color lights reflected on the white snow. Now Peggy says at the end, while they were going home, Peggy says, this shows that Wanda really likes us. After all, she had received the letter and replied us. This shows that she really liked us. It shows she got the letter, she got our letter. That's why we did not receive the letter which was supposed to return. So this shows that she has got our letter, and this is her way of saying that everything is all right. This is a way of saying her that everything is okay. So anyways, she replied our letter. She had replied our letter. We feel very happy. So Peggy said in this way. So in our next class, we will continue what happens after that. But still, Maddie was feeling very sad about Wanda. She missed her very much, and she had already decided that next time she will speak up if Peggy tries to tease other girls, she will speak up, even if she had to lose Peggy's friendship. She had made up her mind. She used to write speeches every night before going to bed. So that was a lesson. Now in our next class we'll continue more. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and carry on your studies at home regularly. Go through online portal every day. So I hope you are doing the same and be wise enough to do that. So that's all for today. We'll meet in the next class. Thank you very much.